Premier from i2i Technologies provides people and organizations with professional expertise and confidence while helping their live, virtual, and hybrid events run smoothly. It's easily customizable for a variety of activities. Services and support can be delivered before, during, or after your event. Today, let's talk about the importance of closing out your event on a high note. Our team can assist with many tasks that happen after that last round of applause concludes your event. Our team will make sure all equipment is properly disconnected and removed so you can focus on other aspects of your event. We can transfer session reports and conduct surveys so that you have all the necessary information and data to evaluate the success of your event. Raw video files can easily be transferred to you as well. Our team's expertise also includes editing recordings to be shared with constituents in a polished, professional manner. We can trim and brand the recordings, upload and organize them online, making it easy for you to share with your audience. We take pride in being your trusted partner, and we're committed to helping your event run smoothly from start to finish. With our post-event assistance, you can rest assured that your event will be wrapped up on a high note. Premier from i2i Technologies can provide you with support throughout your entire virtual or hybrid event journey. Visit i2itech.com/virtual to learn more.